Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells to effect. This scopes the change and prevents accidental edits. Once selected, decide whether you want to strip digits from text, remove cells that are numbers only, or delete numbers inside mixed text. Start Replace Ctrl+H to remove simple patterns. For more control, open Find and Replace with wildcard or check regular expressions in tools that support them. Make sure to back up or work on a copy before bulk changes. Now you apply the core transformation. For basic deletions, use substitute or nested substitute calls to strip known digits or characters. This is fast and reversible. If your Excel supports it, use Rejects Replace a Text 0-9+ to remove all number sequences. This handles phone numbers, ID, and embedded digits. For ranges, combine with array formula or spill ranges to process many cells at once. Once you verify results, convert formulas to values so changes are permanent and sheet performance improves. Finish by cleaning formats and validating outcomes. Apply filters to catch cells that still contain digits or that became blank. Use isNumber, value, or isText to reclassify content and remove rows where numbers must be gone entirely. If you need to permanently delete rows, filter numeric only and delete visible rows. Troubleshooting tip: if results look wrong, undo or restore your backup. Then refine the rejects or substitute patterns. Small test ranges prevent large-scale mistakes and save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.